Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, this is Hashim, and in this video I will show you a package that I developed for multi-language support. Actually it is not an localization package, but you can manage your language files with it. Before the package I want to explain something. As you can see, English is not my native language, and probably I will make a lot of mistakes, but I want to improve my speaking skills. I can understand or write, but speaking is different from them, and therefore I want to apologize for that. I hope you can understand me, or I can explain myself clearly. This is the package. I published it 2 days ago, and I am using this package on my application for my application. First, I will explain the package, and then I will show you a quick demo, and then I will talk about a new localization package called Localization Pro, because it has a unique feature for us, and I think it is a good alternative to easy localization for now. First, we can start with the package. The package name is AppLang, and we have here 8 features. Before the package, I can explain you to why I needed to develop this package. For that, I will show you my application. As may you know, this is my application, and now I am adding the English support. Actually, I was completing the translations, but I decided to develop a package because I don't like working with JSON files, because we can do much more actions with Dart files, because I can use them and I can develop them, and I can develop package for them. So the problem was I start to use JSON files on my application with easy localization package. After some time, I decided to reorganize my keys, and I had to make these changes on 3 files. We have here English and Turkish JSON files, and I have to change a key on both of them, and I need to change a Dart file for keys. So I think this is not a good idea, and this is not good for performance. Therefore, I develop a package that manage this stuff for us. Let's return the package. What we can do with this package, we can combine our translations in a single Dart file. Yeah, maybe you can think that this is not a good idea, but I think it is working for my application pretty well. And I want to see the all translations in the same file, because I can translate it with a Copilot or something like that, and I can play with this Dart file with a builder package like this. So I decided to combine all of the translations in the single Dart file and generate JSON files or the other files from the source file. It is something like that. We have reports fields and name it parameters, and we have here a value node. I call it a value node. We have a local as a named parameter and value of them. So I can see translations at the same time, and I can import new local or remove local or generate JSON on this file. In a short time I will show you a demo, and we will create this file and the other files together. So I think this is a very good approach for me, at least. Maybe you want to use for your project too. The other advantage is that I can use build runner watch command to generate my files or JSON files without any effort. And with Localization Pro package, I can load the new files on the application instantly. Easy localization doesn't support instant update for assets. I need to restart the application every time, but Localization Pro supports, and I will show you that too. So a single Dart file approach, I think it is very good for me right now, and I will use. I am using that this package on my application for my application. So I can generate JSON files. I can generate easy localization loader class. Easy localization supports a JSON import or other files, but there is another feature that we can use easy localization loader to import our assets on the application, and we can generate a key file to quick access for our keys. We can import or generate the source file from a JSON file. We can remove a local. And with watch command, I told you already. With watch command, we can work with the source file easily. Yeah, I think this is the same. Maybe I can remove one of them. So how can we add this package to our project? It is easy. You already know that, I think. In the pubspec YAML, we need to add AppLang to dependencies and build runner under dev dependencies. And if you want to use easy localization, we need to add that too. But this is optional. If you don't use the easy localization, you don't need to do that. And we need to add source file. You can copy and paste this example. There are a few notes here. These are important if you want to create these fields manually. You should know this. And then you just run the build runner. That's all. After that, we can use the keys to access the translations. So I explain everything here, and you can read it, and you can use this package for your project. I will show you almost everything. You can just watch the video. Before the demo, I want to show the other package. I use easy localization, and I want to thank you them for supporting Palestine, because you know that there is a genocide right now in the Palestine. Israel is burning babies alive, and I support Palestine. And I am very happy to hear this message or saw this flag here, and I will have full support for easy localization for that. And then we have Localization Pro here. We are in communication with the developer. I support this package too, and I contributed a small feature, but I think it is very pretty. And we are now talking, and maybe we can build something better for my package. You can use it or you can check it. I assure you that it's worth. You can see the main advantage of this package. We can load our translations separately. For example, for welcome screen, you don't need to load all the assets for entire application. So you can create separate translations and load them on the application in runtime dynamically. So I think this is a very good idea, and maybe in the future I will use this package for my project too. Right now, easy localization is already added to my application, but it doesn't matter because we can easily change our source or main translation package. My package will help us because we don't have any package requirements. I add easy localization support, and I will add Localization Pro support too. Right now, the developer of the Localization Pro is creating a loader file like easy localization, and I will support this package too. Now I can show you a demo. This is my current file, and there are a lot of fields here. I can show you here like this, but I will delete it, and I will show the power of my package. I will create this class from the zero. So let's delete all of this, and yeah, this I can tell you about this annotation. This is our annotation for the package. Yeah, this doesn't work. Let's do this. We have here a few parameters. We can export easy loader for easy localization or JSON files for each local. We can import a new local from a JSON file, or we can remove a local. For example, we can remove Turkish translations easily. And I use colored region extension on VS Code, and I always put these comments. Therefore, I add a parameter for it. If you don't use it, you don't need to set this parameter true. So easy loader is my main loading choose for the translations. Therefore, I set easy loader true. I don't work with JSON files, but for demo, I will export them too. Yeah, we just need to set true JSON parameter, and we will see here the JSON files, and I will delete this. and import parameter here, and we need to and we need to a class for this annotation. You can choose any name. I use class AppLang. Source, I think it is a very good name for us, but we have an error here. Now just I need to save this file. We have here terminal with watch command. As you can see, my package import all the keys and values, and it is working right now. Yeah, you can see it is completed, and we have here JSON files, and we have key files here for quick access for the keys, and we have easy localization loader file here. And so this was for the English translations, and I support Turkish too, and therefore I will import the Turkish version of translations. When you import a new local, if AppLang source is empty, we create the package creates keys from the imported JSON. If you have already keys on the class, in the class, the package will take these existing keys as a reference and put the new imports under the exact same keys. So we have to be sure about our JSON keys. They should be exactly same. So I will import for Turkish right now. I have a shortcut for it. Yeah, I always forget this parameter name. So I just import. I am right now importing the Turkish version. Yeah, you can see we have Turkish version here, and everything working just fine. We can be sure by restart the application. Yeah, you can see there is no any problem. We have JSON files, and I don't want to use this, therefore I will delete them. After import, we need to remove this parameter, because if you put if you don't do this, the watch command runner watch command will create exactly the same file. So I will remove this and this. Just make clear this file. So as you can see, I already created my source file, and now I can work on my application. We will together create these translations. We reorganize this text and the titles. So I need to see them much more easier. We can use here to we will combine these two keys, and we will see how this package can be useful for us. So the old approach, I create keys like this, but this is not a good approach, and I decided to combine all the related keys in a single field. So this was very painful while I was working with JSON files. Now I can reorganize my keys easily because my package will create necessary files for me. I just need to make some error fix. And before the example, I will explain I want to explain the new approach or new structure, key structure for my application. So, for example, we have shopping section. I can show you here. This is a shopping module or section, we can call it. Under the shopping field, we have groups and we put the keys under related groups. So I put the titles under the section. And I have actions here for this section: create, update, or detail. I can create a shopping list or see a detail or edit the shopping list. And we have fields here. These fields is almost exact with our shopping data model. We have fields here for Turkish and English, and I have validations for this shopping data class, and I put the field name and validation rules. We can have a lot of validation rules, therefore I put validations under the field name. These are validations method, and I use this method name for key, validation keys, because I can choose easily with this way. In the old approach, this wasn't like that. I was creating like this field name and the validation rule, but it is very painful and it is not a good structure. Therefore, I decided to create something like this, and this is very good. I can show you in no time. Yeah, I almost completed all translations for my application, and I will publish it in English too. By the way, this is an budget tracker application, but we have very unique features. After I publish this application in English, you can use it for yourself. We have a lot of modules here. You can track your income, expense, bills, and you can track your vehicle expenses, or you have any currency. You can track it. You can create saving goals for yourself for a particular period of time, and you can report them. We have shopping section here, and you can create shopping lists. And I am working on the new features too. Let's get start with the demo. Now we will combine these two fields, and we will create a structure like this. And after that, I will show a short demo for hot reload on the localization pro package. So we need to use our data model as a main field. So we already have here, and we have create, update, and detail actions, but there aren't under the action section or group. So I will create an actions group and put them under it like this. Yeah. So this is our first group, and we have here a name and this is a field and this is a validation, so I take this and put this under the fields. Yep. And this validation 2. Yeah, this should be plural. And as I told you before, now this should be not empty. This is our validation rule. I will show you in the file. And this should be for name field. So I will put under the name. I like that records. I think records are perfect match for my structure. I can create a good structure with records. Therefore, I just support records field. If you create this lang source file, you must use records only. So we combine these two fields. Now, we have error here. Okay, now we need to fix them. I have a very unique framework that I developed for a Flutter application, and inshallah I will record a video about it. For quick explanation, I want to show you my forms. I develop forms and widgets separately. This form widget just responsible for the validate a form. I put a field here. We have just one name. Yeah, I can show you. This is the form, and we have just one field. So as you can see, we have here a text form field widget. These are custom widgets and my form field widgets. And I have a manager for manage this widget. And I have validation object here, class. I use a Fluent validation package for validation of the forms. So it is something like this. We create rules for a specific field or just for entire model. We have transaction tag form model here. Now I will need to translations for not empty validation rule. So we put that under transaction tag dot validations, and we need to for name field. So name, and we just have one validation rule. So I just easily select not empty, and we have here a title. This is it. And we put this field name under the fields. Just need to add fields and dot name. Now we have one more fix, and this is an action. We just need to put under the yeah. Now I told you is localization doesn't support instant update, therefore we see here key names. But if we restart the application, yeah, this is very bad. Yeah, no. Yeah. Now we can check the tags here. As you can see, everything just working fine. We don't have any problem. So we can reorganize our keys like this, and my package do the job for us. Now we have new keys here, you can see, and we have new loader file here for our translations. So this is very nice, I think, and I will continue to develop this package and this approach. And now I can show you hot reload feature with Localization Pro, and I will end this demo. So we have a simple application here. It's just a Flutter application. Yeah, we have an error here. I don't know why. The first time the key name was here. Now we have a text here, and these keys is for that. I will update this text and we will see the change without restart the application. Now you can see we have 3, 4, 5, 6 here, and I will just put 1 here. Yeah, I saved the file, and my package, AppLang package, created the files again, and now we see this didn't change, but it is because of the state management of this application. If you just click a button, plus button here, now we see the text has changed. So I don't need to restart the application for translation like easy localization. So I think this package, Localization Pro, is a very good alternative for easy localization for now. Maybe I will use it for my application in the future too. Yeah, this is it. I will continue to reorganize my keys and continue to translate my application to the English. I have a little job here. If you want to add some features to your, if you want me to add some features to the package, you can reach me on LinkedIn, or you can just create an issue on the GitHub repo. I have a GitHub repo here. You can create an issue, or you can give me some feedbacks about the package. I would love to add these features that you need, or hear your feedbacks. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope it can help you too for your projects. Take care, and free Palestine.